Kaboodle, we craft high-quality, affordable joinery both internationally and right here in Australia. Step inside our local facility in Melbourne, where we create joinery for designer-look kitchens, laundries, bedrooms and more. Through DIY design and installation, we empower everyday Australians to turn their big dreams into affordable realities. Our Melbourne facility first opened in 2016, paving the way for locally produced customisation. Our state-of-the-art facility allows us to customise the widths of our cabinets, doors and panels. We identified that Australian kitchens are all unique, but often need only 1 or 2 custom cabinets to get a perfect fit. By starting with our modular off-the-shelf range in set sizes, renovators can cleverly combine our locally made custom cabinets to get the best of both worlds. The result? A high-quality designer-look kitchen for a fraction of the price. And we are proud to be one of a small number of manufacturers who have had selected cabinets tested and certified to the standards of the Australasian Furnishing Research and Development Institute, so quality is assured. Sourcing much of our range globally gives us access to the best in raw materials, innovation and value at scale. And this has led us to expand and invest in local design and manufacturing to deliver a tailored and personalised range for our customers. Our locally made Kaboodle offer includes leading melamine and thermoform vinyl finishes in on-trend colourways from around the globe, all with the affordability, convenience and speed you'd expect from a DIY-friendly range. Thank you for sharing in our local story. To learn more about Kaboodle and explore our ranges, head to our website to start your journey.